Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. Today we're taking a closer look at scheduling. Scheduling allows you to automatically display different playlists at different times of the day, on specific days of the week, or during special events and holidays. Instead of manually changing content, you can plan everything in advance and let Play handle the rest. Let's begin. Before we create a schedule, it's important to understand how scheduling works. Every group has a base playlist. Think of the base playlist as your default content. It plays all the time unless a schedule tells the screens to show something else. Let's add a schedule. This is where you'll manage all scheduled content for the screens in this group. Here you can change the name of the group. You can also enable synchronization, which ensures all screens in the group play the same content at the same time. And here you'll find the base playlist. You can change it at any time. Just click on the drop-down menu and select the base playlist you want for this group. Here you can see all the screens you have in this group. In this example, we only have the Showroom Las Vegas screen. Here you can publish new content to the screen, and here you can delete the group. Let's add a new schedule. First, let's give the schedule a name. I'll call it Lunch Menu. Next, select the playlist you want to use. For this example, I'll choose the Lunch Menu and Drinks Menu playlists. You can add a single playlist or multiple playlists to a schedule. It's completely up to you. You can click Repeat Daily to choose which days the schedule runs. I want these playlists to play every weekday, so I'll deselect Saturday and Sunday. If your schedule includes 2 or more playlists, you can also enable Shuffle. To learn more about Shuffle, go to playsignage.com and watch the tutorial. Time slots let you quickly select from a list of predefined time slots. And here you can customize exactly when your schedule should run by setting the time and date. I want the schedule to run every day from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Play uses the 24-hour time format, so that 10:30 hours to 13:30 hours. You can also set a custom start and end date. For this example, I'll have the schedule start next Monday and end next Friday. Now let's take a look at the timeline. You can zoom in and out using your mouse to get a closer look at your schedules. The timeline has 3 rows: result, schedule name, and base playlists. The result row gives you a clear overview of exactly what content will play and when. You can easily see when the base playlist is running and when a schedule takes over. The schedules row displays your schedule names, making them easy to identify. And the base playlist row shows your default playlist. Together, they provide a simple and organized view of your content schedule. And that's it. With scheduling, you can automate your content, reduce manual work, and ensure the right information is always displayed at the right time. Set it once and let Play Digital Signage take care of the rest. If you have any questions about schedules, groups, Shuffle, or anything else, go to playsignage.com or reach out via the live chat. We are live 24/7 with dedicated people ready to help. Thank you for watching. See you next time.